Hey everyone, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today, I'm so excited to share one of my all-time favorite recipes with you, incredibly crispy baked chicken wings. Forget the deep fryer. These get that perfect crunch right in your oven, and they're so easy to make. Let's get started. First things first, we have our beautiful chicken wings, which I've already patted completely dry with paper towels. This is the most important step for getting that super crispy skin, so don't skip it. We're going to place them in a large bowl to get them ready for seasoning. Now, for the magic ingredient that makes these wings so crispy, aluminum-free baking powder. It might sound a little strange, but trust me on this. It helps draw out the moisture and creates that amazing texture. To our baking powder, we'll add our seasonings. I'm using some salt, freshly ground black pepper, a little bit of paprika for color and smoky flavor, and some garlic powder. Just whisk those dry ingredients together until they're nicely combined. Next, we'll sprinkle the seasoning mix all over our dry chicken wings. Then, using your hands or a pair of tongs, give them a really good toss. You want to make sure every single wing is evenly and generously coated with that mixture. This is what's going to build that delicious, crunchy crust as they bake. Once they're all coated, we'll arrange them on a wire rack set inside a baking sheet. It's important to leave a little space between each wing. This allows the hot air to circulate all around them, which is key for even cooking and maximum crispiness. Now these are ready for the oven. Look at that. They're golden brown, sizzling, and the skin is perfectly crisp. You can literally hear the crunch. The aroma in here is just incredible. The paprika and garlic have created this beautiful, savory crust. I'm just going to arrange them on a platter. They're perfect on their own, or you can toss them in your favorite sauce. Just listen to that crispy skin. These oven-baked wings are a total game changer for wing night. I hope you give this recipe a try. The ingredients you will need include 4 pounds chicken wings halved at the joints, 2 tablespoons aluminum-free baking powder, 3/4 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon paprika, and 1 teaspoon garlic powder. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.